Oh, Kat! How'd you do that?
Stick around and I'll show you.
So what are you doing here, Kat?
Well, Liz, I like to mix a bit of a colour palette before I start. And obviously with the water, you want to have nice clean water before you do it as well. So you mix up those colours and yeah, have your clean water.
So when you start doing your watercolour, I noticed you go very light.
Yeah, so I like to go from light to dark, because if you go from dark to light, you can't go back. So you can always make a colour darker, but you cannot make it lighter.
Notice, what are you doing with the leaves?
Okay, so you get your brush and you put your clean water down where you want your leaves are, and then you get your brush again and put some green pigment on there and just drop it into that area. And so what you get is a beautiful bloom of that colour for that leaf that's not too dark. So I love this one. I just used a nice thin brush, put down the stalks, and a nice bigger brush and put down the flowers.
Watercolour, flowers, lovely.
Lovely
yeah,
watercolour
Go away,
flowers.
go out and do some watercolour.
Yeah.
Today.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
See ya.